Pattern making can be quick and fun. Here's how to level up your skills. Pattern making can be quick and fun. Here's how to level up your skills.